Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you all are doing well. So welcome to another interesting English vlog with my channel which is called JK by Ikbal. So today I am hitting a plan. Basically it is not from now, from couple of months earlier. So basically this is called practicing English with you. So I am thinking about that. English is a very important language in worldwide, which is international language. So this is very necessary for all of us. So I'm thinking I should improve my English and you guys also. So why not we are improving ourselves in English together, so that I am imagine that I have a channel which is called JK, but I mentioned already. So why not I'm recording some videos with speaking English with you and about my surrounding, about my nature, about outside. So that this is gonna helpful for me and also you, because of if I get a chance or get a motive to record a video, even every single day basis, so which which can be a good way to progress ourselves, so that I must to record a video in a day, and also you are going to watching this video in my channel, so that we both are improving ourselves together. So if I say about the schedule, basically I have planned about that. The schedule will be, I'm gonna upload a video in daily basis. For example, in a month, I'm gonna upload 30 videos. So I think that is gonna helpful for me, and I should just arrange some moments to record this video and also speaking with you. There are several segments we have nowadays that exams are necessary. For example, a student he or she started his career with spoken English, and after that he should and he have to or she or he has to just get an exam which is called Ielts, because we all students nowadays try to get our higher study from abroad, so that we must to get an exam which is called IELTS. So in that case, there are several segments also: writing, speaking, reading, and speaking module. So from that perspective, speaking is very necessary module, because of not only get a good score in IELTS speaking module, but also we have to well communicate with other people, foreigner people, for example, Western countries. So in this perspective, English is very necessary language, as you know. So I'm gonna record video and upload about in specific segment. For example, in a dark day, in a sky, rainy day, in that time I'm going to apply rain or this kind of weathers supported words. And also another hand, I faced a sunny day. In that time, I'm trying to speak about sunny and around as usual. So moral of the speech is we have to improve ourselves by this. So I think this is gonna helpful for me first, and after that definitely yourself, if you're gonna watching and follow my all sorts of videos in my YouTube channel. So let's get started our journey together. I hope we are going to get a good and mesmerizing and going to witness a mesmerizing moment. So enjoy, and I hope you are just stay tuned with me.